Today I'd like to introduce Candice Burtner, who's our newest LDN specialist. Thank you for joining us today, Candice.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So can you tell us, what does it mean to you to become an LDN specialist?
I think this is a huge honor to have. I do this in my practice, and to have a way to be certified and to kind of put things out there, I think is a great way to capture attention of new patients. I think I'm all about getting the word out about LDN, because I feel like it's a goal, it's like a hidden nugget, And I tell patients that all the time, to tell their friends about it, teach about it, spread it, because it's, if people know about it, it has such an interesting place in medicine that can just contribute, not only, bring people back into this direction of health that they're wanting after 20 years of disease or more, but it also has such a place in the preventative side of things for patients. And so I think it can help keep patients off of certain medications, and just so many great things about it. And we have created a program at our pharmacy to teach, just to kind of walk through the journey with patients, and with a real specific set of eyes on that, because we find that most LDN patients have so many other things going on, and so many other pieces that they're trying to work with maybe a functional medicine provider. And so we've provided just a little a set of eyes on their LDN as they get started, just to help teach what it's doing and what to look for, and get them settled in those first 2 or 3 months, and then hopefully, to empower the patient to kind of be in the driver's seat with this, so that they feel set up for success. So our pharmacy is an old pharmacy, but we really only started compounding LDN probably about 5 years ago. And once I learned about it, I only came into the pharmacy about 4 or 5 years ago. Once I started learning about it, I'm so inquisitive with my patients. I kind of learned about it through patients first, and then kind of dug into the research. And so once I started seeing the results and hearing the stories from the patients and reading about it on your website, I was hooked, And so I started creating partnerships with other functional medicine providers and really helping their patients. And, before long, they saw value in it. And so we have been able to create a paid program for pharmacists for consulting, which is really rare.